Small issues can lead to bigger repairs, more downtime, and more money out of your pocket. So we asked our parts and service teams, what should equipment owners be watching for this summer? The answer was very consistent. Heat, dust, dirty cooling systems, and air filters that are overdue for replacement. Summer puts extra stress on equipment, especially when machines are running long hours. We also asked what wear items deserve attention before they become bigger problems. Tracks, sprockets, teeth, cutting edges, filters, and hoses. The parts that work the hardest are usually the first to show signs of wear. One thing our teams see every day, small issues causing bigger repairs. A worn component can damage other parts. A maintenance item can become a repair, and a repair can turn into unexpected downtime. Their advice was simple. Take a few minutes to inspect wear parts, check your fluid levels, clean your cooling system, and don't wait for a problem to get worse. If something doesn't look right, start with your local KC Bobcat parts and service team. We're here to keep you work ready.